Welcome! Our wide selection of listings helps you find a place you'll feel right at home in. This video is brought to you by your real estate agent, Karen. This home is a great choice for those looking for comfort, convenience, and the privacy of their own home. And it's located in the Las Vegas area. Currently listed at just over $375,000. It's been on the market since November. This property was built in 2014 and features over 1,900 square feet of living space and gives you the room you need for a spacious layout. Inside, you'll find 4 bedrooms, so everyone has a private space to come home to, as well as 2 full bathrooms and 1 partial bathroom. But let's talk about what really makes this home stand out. Parents will be happy to know that it's located near several schools. All these great features add up to a property that might be not just your next house, but your next home. If you're interested in learning more, click on screen to contact us for more information or share this property with your friends. We look forward to hearing from you.